Hi, I'm Mira. I'm a makeup artist and hairstylist and a content creator. I'm based in London. When someone leaves my chair feeling amazing and I get a text message or I get a message just to say, I felt amazing, it is the best part of my job as a makeup artist because that's what I'm here to do. And if I wasn't doing that, then I'd be off doing another job. Whether you do your makeup, whether you do your hair, I think everything works together, and having nice hair always makes you feel good. And it's like going to a salon, isn't it? When you've had your hair cut or if you had your hair blow dried or done really beautifully, all of a sudden you feel like a new woman. As you get older, you find your way with your hair. So if you've got straight hair, you work out what works. If you've got straight hair with a bit of a wave, you work out what works for it. So with curly hair, I feel like I have found a little way with a co-wash, with some curl definer, and I've just used that for lots of years, and I generally leave it to air dry. I'd say less is more. Use an eyelash curler, get a great tinted moisturiser, and get a brilliant hair care product that's perfect for your hair type.